Hey, buddy.
How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
I don't know, man. Weren't you the guy that was messing with my girlfriend?
Do what?
Weren't you that guy that was messing with my girlfriend?
No.
You know what to do to those people?
What girlfriend?
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
That's what you get. Don't do it again, okay?
Okay.
Was that you?
Oh, that was you all the way.
Oh, well, wasn't me, buddy.
I just want to drill.
Huh?
Hey, get that taken care of.
Yeah. You know, Christmas dinner and stuff.
I hear you.
You ain't nothing but a hound dog, you're crying all the time.
Excuse me. Excuse me. You seen anyone go around?
No.
Alright, God, I've been holding that in this whole store. It's cool though, right?
I don't agree.
Alright, thanks, buddy. I'd do the same for you.
Would you?
If you're gonna be dumb, you gotta be tough. When you get knocked down.